Salties.
Please do not picnic on our yard.
Fine.
Yeah.
It's not their yard anymore though, they sold it. We need to bike at Stanley Park again.
Yeah.
So I can record it properly. And we need to eat first before we go there.
Yeah.
So we're not hungry. I just realized we don't need to park. Oh wait, hey, no, not really. My nose hurts. From?
My nose hurts.
What?
You didn't hear that in the scope?
I heard something, but it's not mine.
There's like a rock in the scope.
I thought it's yours.
Or fishing or smoking. There's a boat there. Now, if those people gonna think, like, should we go straight or? Is it a marriage or I mean a wedding? Usually there's wedding here, right? Or is this like a religious event? There's people there in your left. What's it like family? Oh, the people with ice cream. Okay, people biking ko. There's a people biking.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot. Open house. Not here, there, and that.
Someone's selling their house right now then.
There.
It's weird, right?
On the far side, actually, house.
For sale.
Like, pretty much just in behind
Oh,
turn
okay.
left.
It's like not a cul-de-sac. But it is.
I know we're not done yet, but turn left and then all the way to the end.
My nose actually hurts though. My nose. It's really hot, no?
No? Okay, windy, no?
Do you think it's hot?
Ah, yeah. That breeze is nice.
It's weird the smell though, right? It smell like horse or cow. It's like we're in a countryside, like far away. The smell.
Yeah. That manure. Ah, I got my nose.
We can go home now. We can back in the complex and then back.
Yeah, yeah. You can probably go back later, but my nose right now
Yeah.
hurts really bad.
It's nicer though, right? Before it was harder to bike. We had to go down. You know Concord?
Mm-mm.
We have to go down and unlock it. We're locking at everything together. And now
You
it's
didn't
like,
steal the bike. The
Huh?
bikes was they were all there.
But we had triple, quadruple locks on.
yeah, it's locked multiple times now.
But the Dyson,
Yeah.
how come there's no cameras there?
I don't get there's no cameras there. You're telling me they didn't see it on the camera going out, the people in
Right?
the car?
That's the other bullshit part. There's conveniently no cameras to get it. But the cop said it was on camera, but we weren't allowed to see it.
Right? That makes sense. Turn left. Suddenly it's hot now, yeah, I can feel it. I wanna swim,
The
right?
umbrella.
I wanna swim.
Yeah. I'll see if you don't have this sickness.
Alright. It's other people
It's
though.
open now, you can swim there. You can just walk without a towel.
Other people though.
Not right now.
Right, see?
Isn't there bugs in it, or wasn't there?
You know what I mean? It's harmless.